And it's a nice breeze up in here, nice and cool, but the food is warming me up as well. There's a lot of food. I definitely overestimated. You know, like in the United States, when you order a large of something, maybe it's because I've been on a fast, but when you order a large of something, normally, I can tack it down. Because I can't tack this down, it's like, oh, my thing died. Oh, crap. So we can't go into the streets yet. Give me one sec. This thing overheated, so it looks like my gimbal just died, and we're gonna need that for the street content, right? I haven't really had time to charge, especially going from one area to another area. First Airbnb didn't have any sort of Wi-Fi, so I tried to get this Airbnb and use it as a base, but I had booked for one day just to hold my spot, just to see how things are. It seems like everything at their place is working, so I said, cool. I was going to extend for another day, and they just told me that they just booked out for the full week. And that sucks, because I kind of needed a couple of days to hold my stuff while I go to, like, let's say either a San Jose, go to a Limon or Jaco. I needed a base. So now, because now I have to leave the place again tomorrow, I'm going to have to carry my stuff with me. So, with that being said, I have to stay in San Jose this time, because if I go someplace else, I won't come back here in time in the morning to grab my stuff, and it makes sense. It'll be a wasted, I think it'll be a wasted Airbnb when I could have just brought my stuff with me to like the other destination and call it a day. That's all. That was my bad. I think it was just bad planning on my end. Nobody else is to blame. It just so happened that the first area I was just inconvenienced. Else I would have stayed there. Because look, think about it, right? So if you think about it, there we go. If you think about it, this place, I mean, you do have some places that are like, whoopsies. Yeah, the table's a little wet. So yeah, you do have some places that's like $20, $29 a night, $30. High end, $50 a night. Low end, $30 plus tax. Yeah, you get those. However, it adds up, you know? I know somebody in Limon says I could stay with them. However, to get to Limon, that's a 3-hour or 3.5-hour trip. Sunday, I have to go someplace else, so it's like I can do that. But if I do 3.5 hours tomorrow, I would have to make sure I make it back here on time Sunday, which isn't going to quite happen the way how I expected. So, once again, it's still bad planning on my end. This was, to believe it or not, Costa Rica was impromptu anyway. It was rushed and impromptu. So that's what it is. Still got a whole lot left. We got a whole lot left.